This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, my name is Viviana Marks, and today I will be walking through a potential lesson I may teach at my institution. Descriptive chemistry is an introductory course for students in non-science majors or those preparing to enter the science field and want to gain additional background information. The first lesson for this course is on the topic of the metric system. Not all students are familiar with the metric system, so we will begin the class by manipulating coins to equal $1. As we discuss how certain coins can be added together to equal another coin, the students are beginning to understand how number manipulations can go from one unit to another, like pennies to dimes to dollars. Students will be given a fill-in-the-blank lesson guide that they will complete throughout my lecture as seen on the screen. After our anticipatory set and pre-class questions, we dive into the standard imperial terms, matching them to the metric system. The main conversions will also be introduced to be used later in the class. For example, mass is typically weighed in the imperial system as pounds and kilograms in metric. The students will fill out the units in the table and include the conversion 1 pound equals 0.454 kilograms. From there, the class will fill out the metric conversion chart, including the prefixes, the power of 10 equivalents, and symbols. Extra attention will be placed on the unit so that students are aware that many units can be implemented in this system, and the main ones for our class will be meters, liters, and grams. Using scaffolding instruction, the students and I will complete 18 practice problems together as a demonstration. Throughout this time, students are free to ask questions for clarification. The goal is to provide an example of each problem they may see on a formative assessment, like a midterm. The students then have a choice to work with a partner or individually to complete conversion questions on their own. The paper will be collected at the end of the class as participation and returned the following day. Before the students are permitted to leave, they must fill out an exit ticket with their name, a summary of the lesson or what they found most interesting, and any additional questions that they may have been uncomfortable asking during our class session. Students will also have access to PBS Learning Media's adult classroom resource, which explains how the healthcare field uses the metric system. This resource gives information on why they are learning this material and explanation that is a component of adult learning. Additionally, they will be given an interactive metric conversion lesson and unit conversion calculator to express that a lot of this information is available online if they want to seek out and do some self-directed practice. The class will be recorded for any students unable to attend the live session, and a transcript will be provided for any hard of hearing students. Depending on the amount of time left in the class, scientific notation and significant figures could also be included in this lesson, but were not included in this presentation. Thank you for watching this video on my potential lesson. Have a great day. Thanks.